Good morning. So I hosted my launch party when I first started, and it was like 6 months ago, and I completely forgot to cash in my rewards. So I thought I would do an unboxing and show you what all I got. And there's Apollo. It's okay, honey. When I sound this happy in the morning, the dogs think, oh, someone must be here, because normally it's this. Just kidding. So this is the new catalog. And I just think it's the prettiest thing ever. So that's why I'm spending so much time showing you a catalog. All right, that aside. So I got asked to donate books for a raffle for Walk for Life, which I absolutely adore. And so I found all these fun books to put in. You gotta have nibbles, it's a classic, for all kinds of different age groups. And I wanted to show you all these different books that, like, they're a younger age than my kids, but I figured it would be perfect for an eclectic raffle gift. So this one is actually for my oldest, who loves to draw. And look at these, so fun. Well, I don't know what they're doing there, but it is so fun. So that one's actually mine. But some of these are for the raffle. And then who doesn't need to know more grammar and punctuation? Like with homeschooling and stuff for the boys, they have a curriculum, but this just looked so fun. So I thought that would be good. Also, who knew that we sold embroidery kits? A lady from a party a couple months ago purchased this, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is a must. It's a need. So we have more than llamas. There's other ones too. But I thought that was fun. Aesop's, or Aesop's, I just found out is how to pronounce his name. So you gotta love those fables. And what else do I have here? Oh, of course, magic painting and fairy gardens, because who doesn't love gardens? And what else did I get? Coloring book. And it's Bear Grylls, so of course it's gonna be hilarious. But it's got different information and then facts and things to color. So that looks really fun. This book is for the raffle, and I am so tempted to keep it. Not going to, because I already put it in for the raffle, but this book is hilarious. So we might have read it a couple times, just to break in the cover and help it for the raffle. Look at this. It's so funny. It is so funny. So, yeah, that face. I feel that face sometimes. All right, here's another one I got for the boys. Who doesn't want to know classics in a fun form? So I'll probably read this to them. There's a lot of words, but I figure as they get older, just growing up with these stories. Ooh, Great Expectations, that's a good one. Growing up with these stories is really, really important. Also, did you guys know we sell puzzles? Because this is my favorite puzzle. We assembled this with my family on Christmas vacation, and I love it. I just love it. Look at the detail. Pardon the phone shadow, but look at this. Here's up there where the fox is. There's Maine. All these different places. Over here in Africa, we used to live in Africa, and we lived right down here in Kenya area. So that was really fun. We would actually see zebras and giraffes on the way to the grocery store every 3 months. So this is just, it's such a fun puzzle. So anyway, this video is getting longer, and I wanted to show you all these amazing things. Have a good day.